Welcome back everybody to the Vera Projects. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like to play with these new Mario Kart live home circuit. It's pretty neat. So all you need is basically a Nintendo Switch and get yourself one of the Mario Lives, and you can either get Mario or Luigi. So let me show you what those boxes look like and how to set it all up. Alright, so here you go. So I got myself the Mario and the Luigi set, and you see what the boxes kind of look like, right? So it allows you to play basically Mario Kart in your house in a living space, which is pretty amazing. So here's the Mario Kart, right? And it has a camera here that allows you to scan your QR code in order for you to go ahead and connect it to your game switch, right? Another thing it does, if you slide this panel up, you're going to see here that has a USB-C that you can go ahead and plug in to charge it. And then this is the power button. So if you tap on that, you'll see that it's ready to go, right? So now same thing with this one here, right? It has this little panel here, it opens up and you're able to hook up the USB-C. You can turn it on here by pressing that and it's ready to go. So what it is, it's basically connected to using Bluetooth, just the same way that you connect the Joy-Con remotes, right? That's the same way that you do this. Okay, so right now I'm opening the box to kind of show you, and it's pretty well. The instructions are really easy. You go into the game, you download the game that says Mario Kart Live. You can either charge this using your Switch, or if you have, one of those cell phone chargers that has USB-C, you can use that as well. And then, hold on a moment. Then it gives you some additional instructions, and then in here are the cardboards that you're going to go ahead and put in the ground. Which I already have done it for the Luigi, so you can use one set or you can use two sets if you like. But let me show you what it looks like. So these are the cardboards that you basically open up and it creates your own track. And this is the front of that one, of number one. And then basically on the back it tells you what you can collect, right? So you can go ahead and collect one of the bananas to go ahead and throw. We're going to walk around here. You see number 2, you can collect some turtles. And then it also, what they do is they create this that kind of shows you which direction you want to go. So in this case here, it's telling me to continue to go left. This is number 3. You can collect some mushrooms here when you come around. And then you got number 4, which is left. Then you got number 4 here, and then when you continue, it'll give you one more left directional arrow, and then you could come back to the finish line. Alright, so I want to show you that I placed the Mario here on the floor with 1. Okay, and here's the screen, right? This is how you would pair it. Okay, now that it's been paired, what you're going to do is you're going to click on single player. And there you go, you can see my hand, see? Okay, so let's go ahead and try. Alright guys, so let me show you here. So B is basically for you to drive around. You see there? And then, A is to go forward and B is to go back. And it recognizes like the actual cardboards. Oh, there's the mat there. Here's that finish line. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a course, okay? Okay, done. So here we're going to challenge. Ready to race. First race. And then with the L is what throws it off. It throws the actual characters. Kind of like in regular Mario Kart. Whenever you want to race or customize your car, come find me. So I upgraded the cart. It's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's go here to this position. I can do a time trial, custom race. Okay, here's where you can customize your car. So these things haven't been unlocked yet. It's pretty neat. So I do time trial, race alone with new 3 laps, okay. I got my dog there in the way, it's funny. Third lap. Okay, so now let's go back home. Leave world. And now you can do multiplayer if you want. You can do rally race, split screen, or local wireless. Okay, so now I've actually got a chance to join two players. And you see on the map that when Luigi moves, you can see that he's catching up, going around on the right. Okay. Let's say I stop there, right? There's the other player, right? Oops, I bump into that person. You can see Luigi coming behind me and passing me. I'm sorry I'm doing this with all by myself, trying to show you how it all works. So there's Luigi. He just, boom. So it's pretty neat that the actual map up here, it actually shows you the placement of the other player when you have two of these carts. So you see there it continues to move. So it's really cool. I had never thought that they would be able to do this kind of like in real person, real time, but you're able to do it, which is extremely amazing. I'm really blown away overall on how it all works. So I would definitely say I definitely recommend it for the kids. They would definitely love this. It's definitely worth the money. If you have two Switches at home and you want to really spend a lot of time with the kids and play around without having to play video games, this is another way to play video games. more realistic, and they also enjoy setting up the courses and things like that as well. Well, thanks for watching on how to set up the live Mario circuit, and I would definitely recommend getting it for the kids. It's something they would definitely enjoy to play in order for them to set up some live Mario Kart. So go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please help us out. Tell your friends and family. And we'll see you next time with a great review with another product or a next build. See you soon.